Hi folks, well the day has come. Today's the day the Triumph goes, but first of all I've got to get the Mondeo MOT, so let's get on to it. So he's just turned up, he's going to take me down or bring me back from the MOT station. We'll get my one down there, so let's do that now. Right, key in the old ignition. All my lights are lighting up. There we go. Just let it warm up for a second. There's water in the washer bottle, isn't there? The back one works okay. Yeah, that's fine. There we go. Here we go. So yeah, the Triumph goes today, and it should be picked up this afternoon sometime. So I've got time to give it a little quick clean over. Just rub over with a soapy sponge. And it's got a bit of dust on it at the moment, but yeah, Sharon's glad to see the back of it. I'm a bit sad to see it go because it's a lovely little motor. It's a nice classic in good order. So as I said, there's a few tinkering jobs that still need to be done on it, but I'm sure the new owner can think about them for a weekend. Just hope this thing passes. Grey dismal day here in the UK at the moment, although it's not too cold. But it's wet, and I do hate wet days. Especially when you're working on cars and you've got to lay on the floor. So looking forward to getting the trotter van done now. I know someone will mention that the steering wheel is still one spline out, but I'll get round to that one day. Don't bother me. I ain't got OCD, so I'm not not really bothered. Okay then. Right, let's turn it round. Get it out in the open a bit, and then we'll give it a clean. Oh, I forgot. I've got to get in the other side. Right. Let's get over. Get over the driver's seat. Right, okay, start her up. Bit of choke. In neutral. Look at that, first time, absolutely first time. There we go. Happy days. Right, let's give it a clean.
I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch of your sweet desire. What we're wrong, we'll turn right. We just have to hold on through the night. As long as we are watching the fire, we'll be safe from the devil's choir. I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling.
Oh well, he's popped back down again. Checking the, it's a bit low, isn't it?
No, it's clean, mate. It's fresh.
Oh,
oil,
sorry, it's right at the top. Yeah, I couldn't see it. So that's just an oil change, isn't he?
Just checking it.
So we're still waiting now. The time now is 3:15, and we're still waiting for the delivery or the pickup bloke from Shipley. He'll be here within, well, he said 3:30. And we've also got a phone up about the Triumph Acclaim, not the Triumph Acclaim, what am I talking about? About the, what is it? My car, Mondeo, darling. Yeah, at 3:45. So we don't know whether it's passed or what, who knows? Someone did say, have you seen the new ST220 on, it's not a new one, obviously, on Alan Howitt's channel? Alan Howitt's got a channel where he just basically works on Mondeos. I'm a subscriber anyway, and I think you are as well, aren't you?
Yeah.
So yes, we have seen it because someone said they thought it was my Mondeo that he was pulling in there.
Yeah, I did say that.
And someone else said, well, if it was Martin's one, he'd be doing the work himself, well, which I would do.
Well, it's a bit cleaner than yours, actually.
Well, it's a 2006, and the only thing with a 2006, don't forget both of ours are 2004s. Yours is...
No, yours is 2003.
No, it isn't. It had a private plate on it like yours. It's a 2004 on the logbook, January 2004, and yours was December 2004, wasn't it?
I don't know, I ain't got a clue.
Yes, it is. Well, we'll check that out.
I don't know when it is.
I'll do more research than these. Anyway, so that's that. So no, it wasn't my one anyway. And there's little Robin down there, look, he was under the car earlier on. And that being a 2006 model, I think you'll find that the road tax for in the UK or in England here, there's that little Robin again. Look, hello. He's going to be one. He lives in the Triumph Acclaim, doesn't he? Hold on. Hello. He's gone up in the bush, hasn't he? He's gone up in the bush, Harry. Look, you're sweating. Look, do you know why you're sweating? Because I've been playing football with you, haven't I? And what about you? Hey?
Why are you sweating?
Well, I'm a fitness freak, aren't I? So as I was saying, I think it's after 2005, wasn't it?
5, I think, yeah.
Then it goes up from about £340 a year for road tax on these to 500 and something, isn't it? An extra 200 quid. So if you are going to get one of these and you don't want to pay the extra £200, get one before 2005. There you go. Looking nice and tidy, isn't it? Look, all nice and standard. Well, no, sorry, it's not standard, is it? Look, look. Hey, I thought you said this was all standard.
Well, it is. Sort of.
Unbelievable.
It will be. I'm putting the other one back.
Yeah, I know. Well, you ain't got it yet, though, have you? You still got to go and get it.
Yeah. Gets too much heat sink with this one on.
Yeah, well, that's the thing. A lot of people, when they put these on, they don't realise, especially on performance cars, there's no cold air ducting onto the actual filter. So they might look nice and they might sound nice, but when the engine, the bonnet is shut down, there's a lot of heat generated in here. And
I'll put a K&N panel one in it, but...
Oh yeah, you'll have the original box filter in there, but you can buy the flat K&N filters in there, which is a lot way to do it. Because as you can see, that's the ducting for the actual air box there, but it's not really shooting onto the filter bed at all. So there you go. So there it is. I did give it just a clean over. I haven't polished it or anything. I did wipe the windows over a little bit, but all ready to be picked up now. I think you'll agree it's looking pretty nice. It's not perfect, as I said to you, but it's a nice usable classic at the end of the day. Drop of water on that there. So yeah, there we go. That's the last time we'll see the Triumph Acclaim. Sharon's really upset that it's going. Not. Right, so we're just waiting for the lorry to come there to pick it up, and then we're going to pick up the MOT and find out whether that has passed. What? I ain't playing no more football.
Yeah?
See you in a minute. Go on, off you go. Right, here we go. Last time I drive it. Right, that's it. Hey? Keys are in the ignition, mate. Right, there you go, baby.
I'm so happy. Good for mine.
Hey?
Bye, baby. Bye-bye, car. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
We'll put some stickers in there. There we go. He's just, what's he doing, lining it up, is he? Yep, you're okay. There we go, yep. Look at that, yep. Superb. He's done that before, hasn't he? You got plenty to go yet? That's it. She's on the wagon. Happy days. Here we go. Well, I'll leave it to you now then. Do I have to sign anything or?
No.
No?
Papers work inside?
All papers in the glove box, yeah.
Thank you.
Right, I'll leave it for you then now, okay?
Thank you very much.
Okay, thanks very much. Bye-bye. There you go. There she goes. Oh, you look so upset, baby.
Oh, I'm distraught it's going.
Eh? That is a sign of you crying, isn't it, baby?
Yeah. I think they want to watch it go.
I know. Let's just have a look at the drive. Oh, got that other blinking silver thing in there. Look.
That's going under the carport.
Get that out.
I'm wondering if there's going to be anything else arriving.
Hey? What? Shout. All my energy now is going.
He said what good condition it was.
He just said, yeah, what good condition
and
it's
he
in.
took pictures of it.
Yeah, but I got to do that to show there's no damage on it.
Well, he might like it.
Yeah. He said, very good condition.
Oh, she can hear you.
Yeah, I know.
What is this number to up?
I can't do the accent, shall I? Hey?
Yeah, I got it. Me little reindeer, me dear. I'm trying to go for...
Yeah. Anyway, what was I saying now? No, all my energy is now going on that trotter van, baby.
What'll be going on me?
I want that, eh? All my energy does go on you. I want that finished.
Oh, your energy's gone on him today, playing
I've been
ball.
playing for... I told you, Charlotte, he's still sweating, look. Unbelievable. Get that blinking silver thing out of my drive.
Right, because you get back.
Well, it's been under our carport for the last 6 years, Sharon. I don't believe what she's just said. She said it didn't half look well.
It looks even better on the back of that, though. Got your stickers inside. For the
Yeah, she's put some stickers in for you there, Kieran, by the way. I think they're on the seat, front seat.
They cost a lot of money, those stickers.
Yeah. Oh, well, there you go. Off to a new owner. Here we go. Bye, Triumph Acclaim. Have fun with your new owner. There you go. Away into the distance.
Missing you already. Bye.
Unbelievable.
I've been so happy. It's like winning the lottery.
Unbelievable. Eh?
Wing mirror just fell off.
Unbelievable. Right, get that other blinking jalopy out of my drive now. Go on.
That's going under the carport now.
Unbelievable. Look at it, look.
We're taking the back subframe off.
Shell.
Look!
Hold on. I've just got created a new play area for you kids, look. I'll soon fill that. I'll soon fill that with something. You wait till the trotter van goes.
I don't mind the trotter vans.
Right, that's part one down. We've now got to go down and pick up the old Mondeo to see whether or not that's passed or not. We don't know. Who knows?
He knows.
He don't know, Sharon.
You're not running.
Pulled it in at 3 o'clock. Be ready now, 1:45.
Come on in, let's go down there and do that. See you in a minute. Right, well, we've just got down the MOT station. It's locked up. I've just sent Gary in to pay for it, but I can't get in myself at the moment. But I've just seen the emission certificate on the seat. And it's saying there that it's passed the emission test, but there's no MOT in there, so I don't know why that is. I say Gary's on his way out in a minute. He's just going to pay. There's Gary's car behind me, as you can see. Glad I cleaned it the other day. The wheels are looking good, but I want to know if it's passed. That's another thing I want to get sorted as well. These little strips here, I'm looking for a set with a chrome one off the later models. They're a bit crinkly there, so there's a tiny little bit of rust just underneath there. A little bit of surface which I can sort out as well, as and when. But yeah, it's only on the driver's door, I think. Hold on, here he comes. Now, is that a pass or fail certificate he's got in his hand? I don't know. You can never tell with him. He's got a grin on his face, but that don't mean anything. He could be trying to wind me up, I don't know. Look, head down. Come on. Well?
Front drop link on driver's side.
Oh, you're joking.
Clean sheet.
Oh, you fibber. There we go. Unbelievable. Oh, well, there we go. No advisories. Happy days. I'm well happy. Happy days. See, you can't kid a kidder. Is it open? Where's the key?
There.
Right, open the door.
Open.
I say he left that on there. Look, I didn't know whether or not it passed because he didn't have a certificate there, but that can sit proudly on there with that.
He didn't say it's the cleanest one he's seen though, like he did on mine.
Unbelievable. Well, it is. I know it is, and you know it is. Right, let's get these cars home then, and I'll see you when we get back home. There we go, back home now. Triumph Acclaim gone. Mondeo passed its MOT without any faults whatsoever. And today has been a very good day. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this little vlog tinkering about video. And I don't know what we're going to be up to next. I might start stripping down the engine again on the Reliant Regal. Let's get rid of this thing off the drive and all. This thing. Get this thing off the drive and all.
That's going under here.
Unbelievable. Anyway, folks, don't forget if you do like my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the little notification bell and set your preferences to all. That way you get notified every time I upload a video. And until the next time, no, hold on, what's this? What did I normally say? Thanks for watching, and well, I forgot what I normally say at the end of my videos. Hey? Anyway, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, bye for now. I know I'll remember it.